just keep walking down. That's so much easier for
Right there. Let's try this again.
No. Back. No. He's still here.
Back up. Almost. Oh, you got my pole.
Oh, is this your pole? Is this yours?
Yeah. I'm like, where's my pole? It's got a bigger loop.
I was wondering, there's a warding magic from it. All the poles just run away.
Figures. All right. I got it.
Everybody stay back. It'll get the house go. Good. Okay. Come over here. Come over here. Yeah. Back. Come on. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Hey. Go. Yeah. No, come back with my right.
No. Back up. Coming up the fence again. Go.
No.
Hey.
Ah, shit.
No, buddy.
Here, let me do the noose. Take it the other way.
Back up.
I'm gonna wait right here.
Yeah, it's getting hot.
Look, is there an opening here?
Yeah.
poor thing.
Let it go, baby.
Oh, shit.
No, up it, no. Okay, got him.
Got a towel? Got a towel?
Here.
Towel first.
Towels are here.
All right.
Easy, sweetie. Easy.
I'm just letting her go. Him go. Why pull?
Yeah, pictures on the nose.
Somebody got this one? Okay. Whoa. All right, wolf on me.
Wolf on me.
He's on my leg, but.
No, get the trash.
I know you're trying to breathe, bud, but you just went in the goddamn service pen. Am I? No, I'm not in. I'm in a bad spot.
Mouth's wide open.
Yeah. My leg's caught underneath him. I can't turn. Can you?
That's a problem.
Hold the pole.
Here, he'll move.
Okay. Up a little bit.
Take another wide pull and close his mouth.
Yeah.
You can have to.
Yeah, we'll find out in a little bit.
Find out in a second.
No,
It's not over. It's not over this year.
Oh, Rebecca, when was the last time you were pinned
Under Wolf and Spencer.
Oh, it's Spencer.
These are
too.
still-
Oh, yeah.
No, not the last time you
This year.
on the Spencer. The last
Listen on the little.
We don't want to discuss that.
On the pole? It's not around his
It's
ear.
not around his other ear, yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. You get to get him a one-way ticket.
He's going to have more rapid heart rate.
Where's that camera? There we go.
Your boyfriend's busy rescuing flamingos. You're just sleeping on the
All right, so
I really suck.
yeah.
Thank you.
We do not take the noose off his neck. So one person grab the noose, and two of us will grab him or her.
Maybe, Jim, you should stay on the news because you're familiar with it. You're the most familiar with it.
I am? No, I'm kidding. That was just luck. No, I'm kidding.
And then Alex
All right, somebody want to get the
and whoever's strong
shirt?
has a good back.
Alright.
Which way? Which the clearest way, guys?
Probably go along the fence line.
Around here, there's a few branches. Grab a few, go break off some of those branches.
Can we get the branches down? Yeah, because that's Is he breathing okay? With that thing on his nose?
Yeah.
No, but the...
Yeah, lift up his back.
Cover that face.
My sweatshirt's dirty and bloody.
It's not your blood.
Get him in the box and give him a break.
Oh, I'm dying to know what that heart rate is.
This one?
Anyone that's open.
What's the sock on? Muzzle on, muzzle off.
Take it off. We'll do the same now and give him a break.
I think that ship has sailed.
See, buddy, this is all we needed out of you.
Yeah, you know better. He's usually.
Okay.
Those.
God damn it, I'm not going to agree.
It was hard to see where to go too, though, with all the branches down. It's hard to see. We couldn't even see what he was going anymore.
That's what